Meaning of George Cukor.
George Cukor.
George Cukor.
George Cukor.
George Cukor. George Cukor was an American film director born in 1899. He directed over 50 films in his career, including classics like The Philadelphia Story, A Star is Born, and My Fair Lady. Known for his ability to direct actresses, he worked with screen legends such as Katharine Hepburn, Judy Garland, and Audrey Hepburn. In addition to his work in film, Cukor also directed stage productions and television shows. He was highly regarded by his peers in the industry and is considered one of the greats in Hollywood history.